How to change announce call voice in iPhone, male to female. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to change announce call voice in iPhone, male to female. For this video, we have to go to settings, and from settings, let's first go to phone in order to see the announce call phone settings. So as you can see under announce call, here are the only options you have. So we're not really gonna do it on this page. I just wanted to show you that what you're seeing is normal. So we're gonna have to go back to the main settings and look for Siri and search. So it should be right here. Just tap on Siri and search and you should see the following options. So basically, the reason why we're here is because whatever is set for your Siri and search, that's also going to be the same voice that is set for your announce call feature. So as you can see, we have Siri voice. So all you have to do is tap on that. If your Siri voice right now is male, that's probably the default, which is set to voice 1. Now, if you want to change it to female, an option for you is to tap on either voice 2 or voice 4. These are the two female voices we have under Siri voice under the American language. Now, if you're using a different language for your Siri, like let's say Australian, all you have to do is tap Australian and look for the type or the voice that you'd like to use for this one as well. And once you selected the voice you'd like to use, you don't even need to save it. Just wait for it to be downloaded. And once you see that check mark right there, all you have to do is simply go back to your main menu or to your home screen, and it should automatically be saved. But that's how easy it is to change announce call voice in iPhone from male to female. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.